Careful.
Panas sangat.
Okay, so it's a demonstration. I'll be driving because we're going to demonstrate how the Ford collision warning works.
Okay.
The light as well as the warning light as well as the audible warning. Okay, so what happens is the car in front will be doing about 30 km/h.
Okay.
Then we'll be approaching about 60, 70. So huge approach speed.
Okay.
And it senses that we're approaching really hard and not pressing the brakes. Then it go beep, 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 but it won't brake for us. So then we have to brake.
So,
Okay.
in final, will the brake?
It won't brake. We have to brake. This is Ford collision warning, not the autonomous emergency braking. That's different.
Okay.
Okay, as automatic
FWS.
So just now is my
AEB.
ABS.
Ford collision warning,
Just now
FCW.
when down here is my ABS. Okay.
If you have the ACC on, that's different. The ACC because
It will
it's
slow down.
yes. All right.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can see it. It'll be here and you'll hear it make noise like beep beep beep.
Sure.
Okay. James, come in.
Yep, here.
Okay, Ford collision warning. We do 2 runs. This will be the first one, 30 km for you, yeah?
Okay, copy.
Okay, go.
Thanks, James. I love you.
James does 30. And we go. So we bring it up to tremendous speed. And look. So I have to brake lah. You see that? It goes beep, 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 and the light comes
Just
on.
give the warning.
Yeah.
It's just a warning. It's not autonomous braking.
So 2 runs
No,
of this.
this is not autonomous braking.
Okay.
Please bear that in mind.
Yes.
The autonomous braking functions only at car park speeds.
Okay.
Roughly about 30 km/h.
Oh, so
Yeah.
we have
It does. But again, I wouldn't try it lah.
At very low speeds.
It's not really something you wanna really demo and try too hard. Okay.
Unless you also want to try the airbags at the same time.
Okay, we'll do one more run of the Ford collision warning just so you can see what happens.
the screen with the signal will show, is it?
Yeah, did you hear the beep, beep, beep,
your,
beep,
your LED cluster meter will show the signal, right?
Yes.
You need to go nearer.
Yeah,
Yes.
I know, but a
And
bit.
then it goes, and you
Please
hear
be
the
careful,
warning
don't-
tone.
very
Okay,
fast.
James, one more time. FCW, yeah?
Very busy area.
Okay, so accelerate. So tremendous speed. Yeah, so you hear the beep, 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 beep. It's just warning me to brake.
Yeah, and you should brake.
If I don't brake,
Yeah. Then you test the airbag.
you test the airbags. Alright. Okay, it's a bit different, just so I can share information. My foot was off the brake.
Okay.
If I was braking, the Ford collision warning will only come on later. Because it assumes, it's programmed to assume that you're already braking.
Yes, that you realize that you're slowing down because of the current.
Yes, there's something is impending lah. But if that's still happening and you're not slowing down fast enough, then it'll start coming on. And if we do that, it's usually a bit too close lah for comfort lah. All right.
Okay.
Okay, I will now demo the automatic emergency brake. Okay, this I will tell you now lah. This is a version 1. Yeah, like the old ones from 2009, like that. So it's not the most accurate all the time. Okay, so this one is again based on VMAX of the car in front versus our VMAX. Okay, so if it detects that we're approaching at a pretty high speed and it's below 30, it will engage the emergency brakes. If I don't go fast enough, again, it'll be too close before the emergency brake works. All right. And because of the system, I'm only allowed to do this once for you guys. Okay, so just let's see how it goes. Okay, James, AEB, 5 km/h for you. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, go, 5 km/h.
Just so you know, all of us in the car are wearing seatbelts.
Yes, please.
I see mana.
I will cover the brake anyway. That's not me. That was it. You hear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that wasn't
the heavy braking by the car itself.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Okay, great. I'll do U-turn, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, James, success. I will drop them off. Return to position.
Kick them out. First trouble makers.